Skills have an official name now. Claude Code calls them skills or commands, not slash commands. If you've been calling them slash commands in your own notes or conversations, now you know the canonical term. You've seen two types of skills in the series already. Knowledge skills live in your project and teach the agent your domain, how the SDK works, how your project is structured, what convention your team follows. They activate automatically when the agent needs them. We covered those in detail when we were looking at writing your own skills and the ServiceNow SDK plugin. Workflow commands are different in a specific way. They're also skills stored the same way under Claude/skills, but you invoke them directly to kick off a multi-step repeatable process. The agent doesn't decide when to run them, you do. Think of them like scripted procedures that run inside Claude Code. Each one takes in some context, does work, and either produces output or hands off to the next command in a chain. This group is built around 4 of those commands. The pipeline goes find issues in your codebase, spec each one into something implementable, implement them all in parallel, then review and commit. Each step is its own workflow command, and they're designed to chain together. The commands you're about to work with go well beyond simple instructions. The one that audits your code dispatches 5 parallel agents across different problem categories, deduplicates their findings, and files GitHub issues. The one that implements your ready issues, it batches them by overlapping files, spins up isolated Git work trees for each batch, and runs them simultaneously. That kind of orchestration shouldn't live in your head or your clipboard. Before you can use this pipeline, you need the starter skills in your project. The source is a public GitHub repo, ServiceNow-DevProgram /ServiceNow-SDK-CC-Starter. To pull just the Claude skills folder, give Claude Code this prompt. Use gh-repo clone and git sparse-checkout to pull only the Claude/skills folder from the repo, ServiceNow-DevProgram /ServiceNow-SDK-CC-Starter, into this project. Skip any files we already have in Claude/skills and do not copy READMEs. You'll need the GitHub CLI GH installed. The repo is public, so no access is required. Once that's done, your project has all 4 commands. In the next episode, we'll build a workflow command from scratch so you know exactly what's inside one before we start running them. Okay, thanks. Talk to you in the next one.